Did you know that meatballs are more than just a dish? They're a global phenomenon reflecting diverse culinary traditions. Join us as we explore how these comfort foods connect cultures across the world. From Italian meatballs to Swedish köttbullar, meatballs vary widely in ingredients and preparation. They often symbolize family traditions and local flavors, making each region's version unique. In China, fish balls are a staple in spicy hot pots. Meanwhile, the Middle East offers koftas, seasoned with spices like cumin and coriander, highlighting the regional flavors of each area. Meatballs are also a comfort food in Venezuela and Colombia, where they're often served in soups during cold weather or family gatherings. This demonstrates their role in cultural celebrations. Swedish meatballs köttbullar are made from a mix of ground beef and pork, seasoned with allspice and served with creamy gravy. This dish is iconic in Swedish culture and even associated with IKEA. The diversity of meatballs reflects human migration, trade, and cultural exchange over centuries. This fusion is evident in the wide range of recipes and ingredients used globally. So whether you're enjoying a spicy kofta or a comforting Swedish meatball, you're partaking in a global culinary tradition that transcends borders and brings people together. Which type of meatballs is your favorite? Share in the comments below and explore more about how food connects us globally. Don't forget to subscribe for more culinary.